Alright guys, here's a 2020 Nissan Sentra. I'll show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the handle, and the mirror. Let's get to work. First, let's get that piece out of there. That piece out of there. So number 10 right there. Number 10. Get out of here, man. Get that piece out of there. Number 10 right there. The 10 out of there. Now you're gonna pop it out. Put your hands right here and pull it out. And put it up. Go up with it. Up the wires. Unhook the cable. Unhook these cables. Take this piece out. Then unplug it. The 3 number 10s. Gonna hold it. Use it. Push that tab. Push it down. Take it out. Alright, let's do the handle. We're gonna take that black piece out of there. Get it out. That's a T30. T30. Start it. Go in there. Turn it. Comes out. Hold this. Push it towards you. Alright, that won't have the wires instead of it, the wire. Move this. Alright, undo the wires. Alright. That's the wire you got to unhook. Unhook it, then that piece, pry it out. Alright guys, that's how you do that. I will see you guys on the next one. Alright? The boy working Wayne checking out. Alright.